Today, we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the 78th Independence Day of India. As we hoist our tricolor high, we pay tribute to the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and their vision. This year, the nation comes together under the theme of Viksit Bharat, Developed India. A dream that has been nurtured for decades is coming forth right before our eyes. We stand at the threshold of a new era, where India is not just a land of promise, but a land of fulfillment. An era where our economy is booming, our innovation is thriving, and our people are prospering. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of our southern coast, India is rising. Rising as a nation that is confident, resilient, and united. We have made tremendous strides in infrastructure development, connecting our cities and villages like never before. Our digital revolution has and continues to empower citizens, and our startup ecosystem fosters young and ambitious Indians. But progress is not just about economic growth, it's about social progress. It's about ensuring that every Indian has access to quality education, healthcare, and a chance to succeed. We must remember that our true strength lies in diversity, our inclusivity, and our commitment to society, much of which will be portrayed in today's upcoming performances. Let us pledge to work together to build a nation where every citizen can live with dignity, every child can dream big, and where every senior citizen can live with pride. We are thrilled to be your hosts for today's events. We have a fantastic lineup of performances by our talented students, celebrating the diverse and rich culture of our nation. Now I pass it on to my friend Arav to begin the event. Thank you.
We begin with an original song composed by IBDP1 students, Joanna, Tia, Aryan, Rishan and Rishi. This piece, centering around the themes of freedom and pride, reflects what independence truly means to them. Over the course of 3 weeks, they have experimented with various chord progressions and melodies, ultimately selecting the one that best captures the essence of their message. Through this song, they invite you to explore the depths of independence and freedom as they perceive it. We hope you enjoy listening to it as much as they love creating it. Please give them a round of applause as they take the stage.
In every heart, there's a promise from many who ring. Of courage, high spirits, we raise our voices, praise the past, and we sing. Lord, stand together, every step and stride. We sing of freedom and side. The shores and down, the fight and go, carry the torch. A beacon of truth, united unity, we are one. Indivisible, our journey, just live on. Endless possibility, and we sing. Forever we stand together, every step and stride. We sing of freedom united, side by side. Forever we stand together, every step and stride. We sing of freedom united, side by side. And dreams in my sight, celebrate vision stride. India, forever free, in unity we find our destiny. Forever we stand together, every step and stride. We sing of freedom united, side by side.
Oh, that one's a six. He's hit that right in the middle there. And Gavaskar himself absolutely delighted with that shot. Obviously, he hasn't had too many sixes in first class cricket. He's supposed to hit one on that short band.
Anand, have you started preparing for your test?
अरे बाबा इंडिया और इंग्लैंड का मैच चल रहा है
अरे बाबा, मीरा, मीरा, कहाँ हो?
हाँ क्या हुआ?
यार अनंत को देखो, पूरा दिन टीवी देखते रहता है।
आप अभी काम से आए हैं, आप क्यों उसको चिल्ला रहे हैं? और ये आनंद, मैं जब भी उसको देखूं, टीवी पे ही चिपका हुआ रहता है। आनंद, उठ!
हाँ मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ क्या हुआ
Why are you so engrossed in this TV?
नो व्हाई यू सो लॉस्ट द न्यूज़पेपर
हमारे जमाने में टीवी नाम की कोई चीज ही नहीं थी। हम सिर्फ रेडियो सुनते थे।
हाँ और अब 10 किलोमीटर नदी पार के स्कूल भी जाते थे ना
बिल्कुल।
बाबा आपको समझ ही नहीं आता मुझे जर्नलिस्ट बनना है इसलिए मैं टीवी देखता हूँ
जर्नलिस्ट बनना है तो टीवी देखना बंद करो। Only if you would take half the effort.
तुम 3 घंटे से टीवी देख रहे हो। तुम्हारे पिताजी अभी काम से आए, जाके उनसे बात तो करो। और तुम्हारा होमवर्क भी पेंडिंग है, वो तुम कब करोगे?
अनंत, अगर तुम अभी टीवी बंद करके अपना होमवर्क करोगे तो कल हम साथ में ब्रॉडकास्ट देखेंगे, ठीक है?
ठीक है बाबा
It's you who have spoiled him so much.
Me? How me? Kids these days are like this.
उसको क्या पता दुनिया के बारे में, बड़ा है जर्नलिस्ट बनेगा, पूरा दिन टीवी देखते रहता है सिर्फ। अब मैं तो मैच देख लेता हूँ।
How difficult it is to protect this huge ground. Where do you actually stand in the deep? He was about 10 or 15 yards in from the boundary, and this one was hit well enough to clear his head.
Was hit very well at the maybe 95 metres out there. That's gone a long way over the top.
बाबा मैं भूलने वाला था आपने मेरे से वादा किया था मेरा शो देखोगे
हाँ हाँ बेटा, अभी प्रोग्राम चालू ही हो रहा है, जाओ अपनी माँ को बुलाओ।
अच्छा ठीक है माँ जल्दी आओ शो शुरू होने वाला है
हाँ बेटा मैं आ रही हूँ, बस थोड़ा काम बाकी है।
जल्दी आओ शो शुरू होने वाला है
हाँ 2 मिनट रुक जाओ।
जल्दी आना तो बस टीवी में क्या आ रहा है
अच्छा, आज कौन सा दिन है?
आज तो इंडिपेंडेंस डे है ना
आनंद, इस साल इंडिपेंडेंस डे पर दूरदर्शन will broadcast a special show. A journalist will host the show. I'm sure you'll get your role model. I'm sure you'll get your role model there. There won't be any films or programs today.
ओह जर्नलिस्ट
क्या उनको तो जर्नलिस्ट बनना था? This way you can learn something new. Independence Day isn't just a holiday; it's a day to remember our culture and heritage.
And when you learn, and it is also about creating our own identity. Independence Day gives us our own pehchan, and it is something that also gives us our own pride and heritage.
हाँ लेकिन मेरे को मूवी देखी मेरे को फिल्म देखनी थी स्कूल में भी इंडियन कल्चर और अपना पे भी आज एक छुट्टी का दिन है और क्या हम एक दिन के लिए भी संस्कृति और परंपरा छोड़ नहीं सकते पता नहीं इन सब चीजों से आजादी कब मिलेगी
Independence Day is also about giving freedom and heritage and pride. And when you learn about your country, you understand about the history of your country, and you'll understand what to preserve of the past and what to let go.
हाँ बट किसको फर्क पड़ता है इन सब चीजों से
अरे, because it's important to understand our roots. If we don't understand our history, how will we envision a better future?
And when you learn about the country's history, you'll understand what to preserve and what to lose. देखो प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है। देख तो लो आज क्या आता है।
Welcome to the annual Doordarshan Independence Day broadcast. I am Anupama Gupta and with me is Rakesh Gopal. On this day, August 15, 1970, we are honored to celebrate the 23rd Independence Day with all of you.
23 years ago, independence was a hard-earned victory. Blood, sweat, and and tears were shed for the infinite generations to come. We owe it to the freedom of our sacrifice, freedom fighters.
Let's take this opportunity to celebrate our rich and diverse heritage. आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है भारत के मशहूर लेखक और पत्रकार मिस्टर प्रकाश गोस्वामी।
Namaste, Rakesh. Namaste, everyone. Thank you.
अरे बाबा, इनके बारे में स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ा था। इनकी कोई किताब थी, याद नहीं आ रहा।
Mr. Goswami is best known for his book, India Before the Partition, where he discusses the journey of India from its infancy as a country to the giant it stands as today.
Mr. Goswami, what inspired you to write the book? India's journey from pain to progress is a story of immense human spirit. I was drawn to our nation's resilience and economic transformation, which inspired me to write this book. I remember watching the plays about the Indian revolt against the British as a child.
You're quite well versed in India's cultural changes. Could you tell the audience, especially the little kids watching, what's the difference between India's culture now as to before our independence?
Certainly, before independence, India was a mosaic of diverse cultures and traditions. Post-independence, we certainly struggled as a country to get back on our feet. We have to build states from scratch. We have to build industries from scratch. India always had a wealth of regional arts, languages, and customs. But we were in such a vulnerable state. We could have been colonized again. We could have slipped into recession. But we definitely made diversity our strength.
It's interesting, Mr. Goswami. So tell me, how do you think our country is doing? Are there any challenges coming our way?
Yes. Our biggest challenge right now is to generate more jobs and to make agriculture our armor. हम किसानों का देश है तो है, दूरदर्शन पे हर शाम कौन कृषि दर्शन नहीं देखता।
Thank you for your time and insight. It was great to have you.
शुक्रिया राकेश। शुक्रिया
Very Next, we have a special telecast for a dance group performing to Vande Mataram.
That was quite a spectacular performance.
Freedom has always been a reflection to society, and in India, it's a mirror to our dreams, hopes, and triumphs.
In the pre-independence era to today, our films have captured the essence of our collective journey. Now, we'll be moving on to a special interview with this year's National Film Award winner, Mr. Rajput, who's explored the evolution of Indian cinema and the role it played in shaping our culture. Please welcome Mr. Ashok Rajput.
Rajput, I'm curious. What inspired you to become a filmmaker?
Well, ever since I was a child, I was interested in Indian history and culture. And the ability to showcase this to the world in a creative way like a film really blew my mind.
Your latest film, Echoes of Freedom, has a very patriotic storyline and has received so much appreciation. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Could you please tell the audience what was the challenges that you face while making up a lot of freedom and struggles?
Well, to say the least, I found myself stuck on how to show all of India's freedom struggles without making it seem like an action movie, driven only by guns, violence, and explosions. You see, the audience's tastes are changing, and they're not easily attracted to our more slow and deep films.
So I can imagine finding a balance between the two would be a big obstacle.
Exactly.
So, sir, I would like to ask you a question.
अरे तो फिल्म ही दिखाई देना, क्या बोल सकते हैं?
अरे तुमको फिल्म देखना है पर उसके बारे में कुछ जानना नहीं है क्या? Cinema is not just a medium of entertainment. It reflects our cultural and social state.
और अगर तुम भी तो किशोर कुमार वाले गाने में नाचते लगते थे ना? और याद है वो देव आनंद वाली हेडकट कितना रोए थे उसके लिए?
And today we're remembering that history. अरे ये देखो मिस हो रहा है.
Sir, thank you for joining us today. It was a pleasure to have you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Today's broadcast has been a colorful journey through our nation's rich heritage. From vibrant dance performances to stories behind our beloved films, we've seen how culture continues to thrive and evolve.
We also had the privilege of speaking with directors and writers who are dedicated to promoting and preserving these cultural treasures.
Today's broadcast was a testament to what a rich cultural mosaic India is.
इसी के साथ हमारी प्रस्तुति समाप्त होती है. धन्यवाद और शुभ रात्रि.
क्या होगा अगर मैं खुद ही टीम प्रेजेंटर बन जाऊं? मेरा खुद का शो होगा और कोई मुझे नहीं देखेगा. हाँ, ये सही है. मैं टीम प्रेजेंटर बनूंगा.
मीरा, अरे मीरा,
हाँ,
देखो 9 बज गए हैं. टीवी तो चालू करो, तुम्हारे टाइम पे कोई ध्यान ही नहीं रहता है.
ओ हाँ, मैं तो भूल ही गई.
हाँ रुको मैं चालू करता हूँ. याद है जब अनंत छोटा था कितना टीवी देखता था. हमें क्या पता था कि एक दिन.
Hello, and welcome to today's special Doordarshan broadcast with me, Anand Chaudhary. Today, on August 15th, 1989, we are here to celebrate a momentous landmark since our independence. Let us all come together and honor the courage, spirit, and the resilience of our nation. Today, Doordarshan brings the stories of heroes, both unsung and celebrated, that have shaped our nation and history.
We must recognize our land, our India, Bharat, our India is not any piece of land. It is an idea, a dream, a vision of unity in diversity.
As we look back at our journey and forward to the future, the story of India has influenced many futures and lives.
हमारी स्वतंत्रता सिर्फ आजादी नहीं, एक जिम्मेदारी भी है.
स्वतंत्रता का मतलब है कि अपने विचार और अपने सपनों को साकार रखने का मौका पाना.
और मेरे जैसे बच्चों के लिए स्वतंत्रता हमें सपने देखने की और इन्हें पूरे करने का अवसर देता है. भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहाँ हम अपने सपने जी सकते हैं.
आजादी, स्वतंत्रता केवल शब्द नहीं, यह अनगिनत पीढ़ियों की कहानी है. हर कहानी एक महाकाव्य है. हर महाकाव्य एक सुंदर कविता. त्याग, बलिदान और भूमि प्रेम से भरी अनवरत बहती संघर्ष की सरिता. प्रेम जो राष्ट्र के लिए समर्पित था, प्रेम जिसमें भावनाओं का ईंधन था. देश का वो केसरी रंग यूं ही नहीं लाल हुआ. हजारों बेटे बेटियों ने लहू का जब दान दिया, तब उस लाल मिट्टी ने आजादी की फसल लहराए. तब जाकर कहीं हमने स्वतंत्रता की थे गए. उनकी आंखों में उम्मीदें थी कि हमको तुमको सम्मान मिले. अधीनता की बेड़ियों से मुक्त एक खुला आसमान मिले. उनके त्याग का ये मेल नहीं कि हम उनको बस इतना सा याद करें कि लहराए तिरंगा बस एक दिन और अपनी अपनी राह चले. उनकी आंखों में उम्मीदें हैं, वो चीखें हमें पुकारती हैं कि इस भूमि को सवारे हम, उन सपनों को साकार करें। यह स्वतंत्रता केवल इतिहास नहीं, ये हमारी पहचान है, अनवरत कर्तव्य है। आओ उसे जगाएं हम, वही उत्साह फिर दिखाएं हम, क्योंकि आजादी केवल शब्द नहीं, एक पूरी कहानी है, बलिदानों की अमिट निशानी है। गुलामी उनकी बाधा थी, हमारी होगी नई चुनौती, लेकिन रुकना कोई विकल्प नहीं, चलना तो अवलंब है। कितनी ही हो निराशा और बाधा, देश प्रेम ही सर्वस्व है।
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। एक
Thank you.